Hello girls, welcome to Gyaniketan Girls School. Now we will see the topic files and folders. File is the related information stored in computer system. When we store any kind of information in computer, that is called the file. When we talk about the file, there are four types of file: text file, image file, video file and the sound file. Any stored information in computer is called the file. Next is the folder. Folder is the cabinet where we store relevant information. Cabinet, that means a place. Folder is the place where we store similar kind of information. Like the computer. Computer folder contain all the drives of computer. Document folder contains all the text file of your computer. You have seen. After that, the image folder contain all the look. When we click on picture folder, you can see it is showing the image. When we click on desktop, it is showing the content. This is called the folder. It stores similar kind of information. Next topic, a folder within another folder. Suppose this is the folder. When we create another folder, so this is called the subfolder. A folder within another folder, it is called the subfolder. It is called subfolder. Now we will see how to create a file or the folder. We start any application. Suppose we start MS Word. We do the typing here. We do the typing. Suppose type anything. This is called creating a file. And saving a file. Go to the office button, save as option. We can give any name according to our requirement, according to our choice, and save it. This is the way to save the file. So creating, that means opening the application and do the work. That is the process of creating, and when we save it, that is called the saving a file. To save the file. And next topic, creating a folder. How to create a folder? To create a folder, we do the right click in the blank area. New option and the folder. This is the way to create a folder. Opening a file or folder. We can start any file and folder with a double click. Look, with the single click, we select the file, and with the double click, we can open any file and folder. After that, renaming a file and folder. Look, rename. How to do rename? Rename, that means if you want to change. When you create the folder, by default it shows new folder. When you want to change its name, do the right click and see the option rename. Second last option is the rename. You select the rename, type your name, the name will be changed. Now you can see it is showing my name. Whatever the name you will enter there, folder will be changed with the respective name. Using the context menu. What is context menu? When you do the right click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears which is called the context menu. Look, this is the file and folder. When we do right click on any file and folder, it shows a list like this. This is called context menu. When we select any one of the option, each has their particular command. Open is used to open the application, start the application file. New will start a new Excel window. Print will send the print command. Cut is used to cut the content, and we can paste in another location. Similarly, each function has their respective work. This is called, when we do right click on any file and folder, that is called the context menu. And next is the shortcut. What is shortcut? A shortcut is an icon that provides Shortcut is an icon that provides an easy and quick method to open any application or the software that we use frequently. It has a small jump arrow present at the lower left corner of the shortcut. See, what is shortcut? When we have to start any application, we go to the start button and then select any file and folder. It is a time taking process. Suppose we have to start Excel, then this is the long way to start. But when we do the right click, create shortcut, look, this is your normal file. This is your normal file, and the same thing, this is the shortcut file. You can see shortcut, it has a small jump arrow to its lower left corner. It is used to start any file and folder which we used frequently. Thank you.